Yo, what up guys? We are back with another one with the 8.6 again. What we are getting done today is I picked up a stock exhaust, stock catback, so we are gonna get that in, and we are gonna get the TRD ones out. I sprayed everything. I should be all easy to do. And then what we also have is the stock headers here. Gonna put that in. Got no gaskets for it all, so we're gonna put the no gaskets in. And then we're taking out the Tomei unequal length and the TRD. And then we'll have pretty much our pile of part out stuff, which is adjustable end links, BC coils, the TRD exhaust, the Tomei unequal length, and then the open flash tablet. And then after that, it should be all done other than the stickers. But what we are probably also gonna try to get done today is put on this roof rack for the CRV and this spoiler here. Hopefully we can get that done today. If not today, then it'll probably still be this video, but I'll get it either tomorrow or the next day. And then after that, we're working on the Miata. So yeah, let's start getting this exhaust banged out. Get this one out, get that one in, headers in or out, and then headers in. So yeah, let's start doing that real quick and get things going on. Okay, so the old is out, and the older but new for this car is going in. I don't know why, but that was harder than it should have been. Alright, so stock exhaust is now out, and gonna I put on the stock exhaust. TRD is out. Now time for the headers. I'm gonna drop the car and then, or drop the rears and then just get the fronts up, and then we'll get right onto that. And then probably after that, I am gonna go pick up some side skirts, just some simple like aluminum side skirts for the Miata, just to have a bit extra for the sides. Just so that there's a bit more happening on it, because it is kind of plain right now. And then after the Tomei is out, I believe we are done with the 8.6 until I can find the OEM wheels for it again. I am so not smart at all. I ended up selling my OE wheels because they were bent anyways, because they're all curved up and bent, so I ended up selling them as winter wheels. So now I am out of a set of OE wheels. So I need to go get, I need to find a set of OE wheels that I can put back onto this car, and then out she goes. Then once this is done, then we can finally work on the CRV. So yeah, let's start banging out the headers. Word, I forgot to unplug the O2 sensors. Okay, finally it is out. Holy, it smells catless. You can definitely tell that these are catless. Right when you take it off, like the catless smell just hits you. So yeah, let's get the O2 sensors transferred over to the other set of headers, the OEM headers, and then try to stick everything back in. Okay, so finally got the header back in after all of those are tightened up. Now I just need to fish or the two O2 sensors back up. So here's this one. Get this one plugged back in. There. Might be easier from over here. Holy, what an angle. Okay, so that one is in, click. And then this other one down here is good to go back into. And that's clicked in. Okay, so I believe that is all for the headers. Everything is snugged up. You can probably see it sitting right there. Okay, so let's button everything up. Put the shield back on. I'm probably gonna clean this up really quick and then put it back on, and then I think we are done with the 8.6. Alright guys, so everything is all done with this car. Headers are on, our stock headers are on, stock exhaust is on, coilovers are also stock things are on, stock end links are on. Everything has been returned to stock form on this. It's been reflashed with the original tune, the factory tune. Only thing left I have to do is find some OEM wheels, take off all the decals, and then she is good to go. So that is pretty much the end for the 8.6, unfortunately. Gonna finish off those things off the camera because I still need to look for some stock wheels, and then I also need to take off the decals, which will take me, I don't know, maybe an hour or so. But other than that, the 8.6 will probably be listed on sale soon. I might do like a 2-stage buff or cut and polish, and then I might toss some wax on it just so it'll be ready for ceramic coat for the next owner if they decide to do that, or if they decide to just send it how it is. So yeah, I might make another video on just the 2-stage cut and polish sometime next week, after the Miata videos, which you will probably see soon if you are subscribed. And if you are not, make sure to subscribe because Miata content is coming in hard. Lots is happening with the Miata. So just to follow up on that, hopefully you guys enjoyed the content with the 86, or probably maybe one more video of it before it's gone. But yeah, that is all with the 8.6. The next The next journey is the Miata. We are gonna be going hard on the Miata, and then obviously the CRV with the past couple of videos, like 2 or 3 videos, and more coming soon. So be sure to subscribe to follow the journey with the rest of the cars, and hopefully you guys like this one. So be sure to hit the like button below. But until the next video, I will see you guys next time.